How to use NordVPN. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply search for it on your browser. If you are on a mobile device, simply search for it on your Play Store or App Store. And after that, simply open it up. And this is how it will appear. Now you can download it and start using it. It gives a 30-day money back guarantee. And if you don't like it within the 30 days, you can simply cancel up your plan and get the money back. It is quite simple, and in order to utilize it, simply download it on your device. After that, you can connect with different countries out there, and it is as simple as just downloading and connecting, and this is how easy it is. There are no more steps to it. Now when it comes to free VPN or the NordVPN, there is a big difference, and you can also check out the differences over here. It can give you servers in more than 100 countries, and when it comes to free VPNs, you won't get that much of countries there. Also, the connection is slow on free VPNs, and you can check out some other differences as well. And I hope the short tutorial was helpful on NordVPN. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.